Hey, this is Rama from Creations Landscape Designs. I'm at a garden in Huntington Beach that is participating in the California Native Plant Society Garden Tour, and I wanted to show you what this garden looks like now that it's been installed for a few years. But before I do that, I make videos about drought-tolerant plants, California native plants, sustainability, and anything and everything in between. So if you'd like to get more of that content in your feed, then hit the red subscribe button. All right, let's do this. So this garden was designed and installed towards the end of 2023, beginning of 2024. Designed by me, installed by Los Gatos Landscape. This entire garden is comprised of California native plants, California native wildflower seeds that the homeowner scattered, a gravel driveway, and this garden does not have an irrigation system. It is watered by Mother Nature. And the gravel driveway has held up pretty nicely. Hasn't been any issues to him or her over. The flagstone and DG pathway has held up really nicely. This is some information that the homeowner put out for the Native Plant Society Garden Tour. Now I'm also going to show you the backyard. Although I did not design the backyard, the homeowner, her partner, and her father did the backyard all themselves. Oh, before I forget, since I actually did forget, we've also got these rain tanks here. They were painted to match the house color. So this is water that is occasionally used. And then we've got more rain tanks here. The palms were existing, so they just kept them. Not sure where the ducks came from. There's no water feature out here that I'm aware of. And of course, I personally could sit on this hammock for hours and just do nothing. This garden isn't maintained all that much, and even the backyard is watered by Mother Nature. And yet, everything is thriving, both in the front and the back.